Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Chrome with the profile that holds the search history you want removed. Click the three-dot menu at top right and open History, or press Ctrl+H, CMD+Y on Mac. This lands you directly in the History view. Once done, focus on the time range, last hour through all time. Make sure to pick the right range because this controls what gets deleted across searches and visited pages. I explain why next. The range determines whether related cached items and synced history remain. You now choose between removing single items or clearing everything. For specific searches, tick checkboxes beside entries and click Delete. That removes only selected records. If you need a full wipe, choose Clear Browsing Data, switch to Advanced, and include Browsing History plus cookies and cached images if you want deeper removal. Once you set the time range and types, click Clear Data. This ensures not just the list, but also local caches tied to searches are purged when intended. Finish by verifying the history page shows no unwanted search entries. If you use Chrome Sync, go to your Google account's web and app activity settings to pause or delete synced history. Make sure sync is off or selective so deleted items don't come back. If history reappears, clear the cache again, disable extensions that manage or restore sessions, then repeat the clear process. One troubleshooting tip: sign out and delete synced data from your Google account. Then sign back in only after confirming deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.